So next up we have this document dot querySelectorAll method. So what does this querySelector do? It will return the first element that matches the query that we have passed inside this method, right? So this is nothing but it returns all the collection of all the elements that matches the query instead of just a single element. So it returns a node list of elements that is matching the CSS selector. Okay, it is just the difference in return type. It is same as the query selector. The difference is within the return type. So you can go back and check how does this work. And then if we do this one, what are the elements we have repeated here? H1 tag, right? So let's see on that one how does this work. And body H1, this is the query I have passed. What does query selector will return? It will return the single element. Although we have another element with same tag name, it is only returning the first element that it has encountered. So I will add all here. What it is returning? It is returning a list. It is nothing but an array, we can say. It's nothing but an array. It is returning all the elements that matches this query. Okay. What do we have inside this query? We have a body. It goes inside the body. Inside that body, it will look for all the HTML H1 tags, and then it will return a collection of it. Okay. Same. What if I want to access the first tag itself? We do it with the help of indexing. If I want to access the first element, I will do it by H1 tag 0. Okay. I do it. If you give the inner.html, you can see the text. Yeah, so I have passed this class name as a query for my query selector all. What it is returning? It is returning an array of all the elements that matches this query. What are all the elements that I have that is matching this query? These two elements. So it is returning these two elements, and you can access particular element using this index, by its index. So if you do just this, it will just return a single element, not a collection of elements. So that is the difference between query selector and the query selector all. So query selector just returns a single element, and query selector all returns a collection of elements that matches the query that we have passed. So for this particular function also, we can pass all possible queries, combinators, and the pseudo classes that we basically use in CSS for selection. We can pass all of those queries inside here in order to capture the elements from the DOM.